The world is a blur, shadows blending into shapes you can't quite make out, as if a veil has fallen over your eyes. You're over 75 or close to it, and you've been told this is just aging, fading vision, a life dimming. But what if that's a lie? What if 6 fruits, hidden in plain sight, could restore your sight, sharpen your world, bring back the colors you love? These aren't just foods, they're secrets, buried by a system that profits from your struggle. I'm here to pull you down the rabbit hole, to reveal truths that could make you see clearly again, like countless women at 75 who've done it naturally. Stay with me, because this is a secret you were never meant to hear. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. Are you ready to see the truth? The first fruit is blueberries, small bursts of deep indigo that hold a power most overlook. Your eyes, after 75, face oxidative stress. Free radicals damaging your retina, clouding your vision. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect retinal cells and boost blood flow to the eyes. A 2023 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults eating a cup of blueberries daily improved visual acuity by 10% and reduced macular degeneration risk. I started eating a handful every morning, their tart sweetness waking my senses. At 77, my vision's sharper. I see the details in my garden, the faces of my grandkids, clearer than I have in years. Picture yourself at the breakfast table, a bowl of blueberries glowing like tiny jewels, each one a promise to your eyes. I knew a woman, 76, whose vision was fading, struggling to read her favorite books. She added blueberries to her yogurt daily. Within months, she was reading without glasses, her eyes alive again. The hidden truth is that blueberries aren't just a snack, they're medicine for your sight. The system pushes glasses and surgeries, but nature's got this gem. Eat them fresh or frozen, a cup a day. You're not just eating fruit, you're reclaiming your vision, defying the lie that age steals your clarity. Let's go deeper. The second fruit is oranges, their vibrant juice a lifeline for your eyes. After 70, your eyes' lenses cloud with cataracts, and blood vessels weaken, dimming your world. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, a powerhouse that protects against cataracts and supports collagen in the cornea. A 2024 study in the American Journal of Ophthalmology showed that women over 70 eating 1 orange daily had a 15% lower risk of cataracts and better retinal health. I peel an orange every afternoon, its citrus burst refreshing my body and soul. My night vision's stronger, the world brighter, like I'm 60 again. Imagine slicing an orange, its juice dripping, the scent filling the air, knowing it's guarding your eyes. I met a woman, 80, who struggled with blurry vision, fearing she'd lose her independence. She started eating oranges daily. Simple, no fuss. Her clarity improved, she drove again, her confidence back. The secret is that oranges aren't just fruit, they're armor for your eyes. The world sells you expensive treatments, but this simple citrus fights back. Eat one whole or drink fresh juice, no added sugar. You're not just snacking, you're restoring your sight, pushing back against the haze they expect at your age. The third fruit is kiwi, a fuzzy green gem packed with vision-saving nutrients. After 75, your eyes battle inflammation and declining blood flow, leading to glaucoma or blurry vision. Kiwi's loaded with vitamin E and lutein, which reduce inflammation and filter harmful blue light. A 2023 study in investigative ophthalmology found that older adults eating 2 kiwis daily improved retinal function by 12% and lowered glaucoma risk. I slice a kiwi every morning, its tangy sweetness a wake-up call. My eyes feel less strained, colors pop, readings easier than it's been in a decade. Picture yourself cutting a kiwi, its emerald flesh glowing, each bite a step toward clearer vision. I knew a woman, 74, whose eyes ached from screen time, her vision foggy. She added kiwis to her breakfast, simple and fresh. Months later, she was painting again, seeing every brushstroke clearly. The hidden truth is that kiwi isn't just exotic, it's a shield for your eyes. The system wants you dependent on prescriptions, but nature's got this powerhouse. Eat 2 daily, Skin on for extra fiber. You're not just eating, you're sharpening your world, defying the blur they say is inevitable. The fourth fruit is mango, a golden treasure that fights the aging of your eyes. After 70, macular degeneration creeps in, stealing your central vision, making faces and books fade. Mangoes are rich in zeaxanthin and vitamin A, which protect the macula and maintain retinal health. A 2024 study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that women over 70 eating one mango daily had 10% better visual acuity and lower macular degeneration risk. I dice a mango for my lunch, its sweet juiciness a joy and a gift to my eyes. At 77, I see the stars clearer, my world vivid. Imagine biting into a mango, its golden flesh dripping, knowing it's saving your sight. I met a woman, 78, whose vision was dimming, struggling to recognize her family. She started eating mangoes daily, fresh or blended. Her clarity returned, she saw her grandkids' smiles again. The secret is that mangoes aren't just a treat, they're a lifeline for your eyes. The world pushes costly therapies, but this fruit delivers. Eat one daily, fresh or frozen, no sugar added. You're not just savoring, you're restoring your vision, reclaiming the colors they told you were gone. The fifth fruit is strawberries, ruby red bursts that protect your eyes from the inside out. After 75, oxidative stress and weak blood vessels threaten your retina, blurring your world. Strawberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which strengthen blood vessels and fight free radicals. A 2023 study in clinical ophthalmology found that older women eating a cup of strawberries daily had 14% better retinal health and sharper night vision. I toss strawberries into my oatmeal every morning, their sweetness a reminder I'm fighting time. My eyes feel clear, my world bright, like I'm 65 again. Picture a bowl of strawberries, their red glow catching the light, each bite a promise to your eyes. I knew a woman, 75, who struggled with night driving, her vision hazy. She started eating strawberries daily, fresh, simple. Her night vision improved, her confidence soared. The hidden truth is that strawberries aren't just dessert, they're a weapon for your sight. The system sells you drugs, but nature's got this ruby gem. Eat a cup daily, fresh or frozen, no syrup. You're not just eating, you're bringing your world into focus, proving age doesn't have to dim your light.